Hi guys, welcome back to this MBA podcast. मेरे साथ है जितेंद्र and Shreya. They're from GIM by the way, and we're gonna hack BDA program, which is Business
Big
Big
data
data
analytics.
Big Data Analytics, right? बहुत सारे बच्चे कहते हैं कि सर BDA यहाँ पे है, but we don't know what is it about, है ना? Full form में भी गलती हो जाती है. तो यार आज ना, for my audience and for a lot of students, they want to know this, and I'll tell you why. Because it can be a backdoor entry to GIM. You know, actually like So give me something which is in a concrete level. You know, let's break it down. You know, for students, why they should be joining, and what's the process, etc., etc. But before that, tell me your background first.
Yeah. So I'm Jitendra and I've done my bachelor's in business administration, specializing in business
Bachelor's in
analytics.
business administration, BBA in
Business analytics.
analytics. Acha, okay. And you're a non-engineer.
Yeah, I'm a non-engineer.
Very good. Okay, go ahead.
So after that I gave my exam and I had a couple of colleges in my hand, but I wanted to pursue my career in the big data analytics and business analytics field, so I chose GIM for that.
Okay, Shreya.
I'm Shreya. I am from Chennai and I have done my bachelor's in
Camera.
I have done my bachelor's in information technology,
Okay.
and I'm a fresher. So I finished my bachelor's and I directly wrote CAT, SAT, and everything,
Right.
and I came to GI
Perfect.
because I wanted a blend of both managerial and
Analytical.
analytics. Yeah.
Okay. So these are second year students by the way. ठीक है, तो अभी दे दो चप्पा चप्पा of the program and GIM also. इसलिए मैंने second year वालों को पकड़ा है because they know a lot of stuff. My first question. See, we have an option, right, to do a general MBA, core MBA, but then you have a different program. It's like data analytics. What's the difference between these two?
So the curriculum here itself is such that they make you industry ready.
Okay.
The courses are more of hands-on, so you do what you learn. So they prepare you for what you're going to do in your career. So that's very important in my perspective, and that's the main reason why I joined.
Okay. Jitendra, what's your take on this?
So what you said is actually absolutely right.
Okay.
I mean, this BDA program has a differentiating factor with respect to its curriculum and also the 5-month internship tenure.
Oh, that's nice.
So we get to apply what we learn in the first year. So that, we know the ups and downs during the entire analytics process. It's not just about, managing things, but backing it with data and taking the right decision for the right time.
So if you go a couple of years back, okay guys, analytics was looked at a very technical and a test kind of a job, right? But now for the fact analytics has become such an integral part of the management, it's very important that you should know, rather you must know management and then do the analytics also side by side. So now the scope has widened, of course, the profiles are really good as far as the business analytics is concerned. And it's gonna go, bigger and bigger, right? So there is no U-turn as such. ये और बड़ा ही होने वाला है ये पूरा domain. My question to you is, आपका जो curriculum है, right? क्या वो इन सब चीजों को cater करता है?
Absolutely, yes. I mean, we do.
And name a few subjects, name a few sort of technical stuff that you do in the classroom.
Yeah. So we do have subjects like agentic AI.
Artificial intelligence.
Agentic AI,
Okay.
the latest trend that's going on. And we do have data-driven retail management.
Okay.
And we have a program from SAS. So we do
Nice.
SAS, hands-on. So beyond that, we have Power BI, Tableau. These are all like common stuff.
Right.
Beyond that, we do all what I mentioned though.
Anything on an advanced level?
Advanced level, we do have advanced machine learning and
So we have, apart from the basic machine learning and advanced machine learning, we have NLP. Then we also have the deep learning techniques and all that are like mandatory for BDA. So even if you're a non-engineer person, you will be make sure that you know at least the basics, so that when you go in the industry, you are at least you know what is happening and you can do that properly.
I think even deep learning is getting a lot of traction. Ahmedabad just launched a separate program on this deep learning kind of thing. Fantastic, fantastic. But let's just say I'm a non-engineer and I don't know anything about business analytics. But it sounds cool. And more than that, it's a backdoor entry for GIM. Because it's an umbrella placement, right? So if I have it in me, I can go for it. It's an umbrella placement, isn't it?
Yeah.
I mean, everybody can
I
sit
think-
together for the placement, right?
Depends on that more or less depends on the profiles. If there's a core analytics role,
Right.
BDA
right.
goes
But
first.
let's say for like out of 100 companies, can at least BA folks participate in 30-40 companies, right? So that's the advantage somewhere. Yeah. So tell me, like, I am somebody who is not, really well versed with analytics, but I want to do it. Can I cope with it?
I mean, obviously, I am a non-engineer, but given that I do have a bit of business analytics background,
And you're smart also. I can see that. You're very studious and talented, isn't it?
Yeah, he is.
Go ahead.
no, we do have people from diverse backgrounds in
Right.
economics in our batch.
Right.
So they do fantastically well. It's not about being tech savvy or someone well versed with tech part. It's about identifying the right application and applying at the right time. And the professors here, they make the journey smoother. So that during the induction, we get exposure to statistics, probability, the foundation for analytics as a whole. So that's what drives you through the next 2 years here at GIM.
Shreya, anything you want to add on?
So even in my class, people are there who are non-IT background, and they are understanding the concepts pretty well. So I don't think they are lagging behind just because of the fact that they are not they don't have the basic understanding before itself. But I think it's a good mix because the professors here are also making sure that everyone has at least the basic understanding pretty well. So the foundations are set really strong.
Okay. और इनको seriously लेना, इनकी placement भी लगी हुई है, ऐसे नहीं कि ये लोग ज्ञान दे रहे हैं यहाँ पे. They have nailed SIPs, they have nailed PPO also, but because of the protocol, we really can't mention it. Anyway, coming back to the main point, lot of colleges coming up with this analytics program. Every day I get to know that this college opened this program in analytics, that college opened it in analytics. What makes GIM so special? No doubt, it's a fantastic brand. It's a bigger brand. It's got a great name in the market. But apart from that, what is so special about BA in GIM?
So the first thing
I mean
is,
BDA by
Yeah.
precisely.
so the first thing is the 5-month internship because it gives us really good exposure to in the companies and we
So
understand.
you work for 5 months in the company.
Yes.
And that's not work from home. That's like you have to be in the company kind of.
Yeah, mostly.
And you make money.
Yeah.
So bhai, out of 24 months, 5 months you're making money, which is a good thing, right?
Yeah.
And you get a lot of money. It's a good money.
Yeah, it depends.
Acha, nice. Yeah. So even if you get like 30-40k per month, you multiply by 5. That's like 200k. Yeah, that's not bad at all. Yeah. See, you can have parties go over.
Yeah, if we save, yeah.
Anyway, going back to the main point. What makes GIM BDA program so special?
Yeah, so the first thing is 5-month internship that
Right.
gives us more and better opportunity for us to convert to PPU. That's one main thing. And second thing is the faculties here are really great. Like even the examples they give are from their own industry perspectives, and that gives us a lot more insights on what is actually happening.
So these are corporate guys. They have actually done
Yeah,
that.
they have
That
done
is nice. That is nice. Anything you wanna add in, Jitendra?
So also adding to Shreya's point, the tools that we learn, they're up to date. We learn the latest tools, we learn the latest trends. And like she mentioned, we also have visiting faculty who are alumni of GIM, who are working in
Nice.
great positions in great companies, and their insights matter the most because they know the ups and downs in the industry, and that becomes an invaluable contribution to us.
Okay. But hey, you know what? I want to ask you one question. So, is it the case that, for the fact it's an analytical job, it's kind of boring? Tell me more about it. If you ask me, tell me something about industry. I'm an industry background.
Okay.
I can talk, hours and hours about it. You guys are from analytics.
Yeah.
Come on, tell me. How interesting is this job? पैसा तो मिल ही जाता है, but
Yeah.
daily life कैसी होती है?
A daily life in role of an analyst, I would say,
Right.
would be, it's not a monotonous job. It changes every day.
Okay.
You get thrown with different data, you get thrown at different situations, you're put in complicated situations, and you need to find a way out. It's like solving a maze, it's like coming out of a maze. A new problem, new day, new solution, new approach.
So it keeps you on your toes all the
Yeah,
time.
exactly.
But tell me one thing, people who are mathematically handicapped, right? Can they do all these things? Or you need to be really good with quants?
I mean, like quants as in you need not be extremely pro. I mean, you
See,
should
why
have
I'm
the
asking
basic.
you this question is because people have made this sort of conceptual understanding saying that finance करना है तो maths बहुत अच्छा होना चाहिए,
got
but
it.
actually में वैसा नहीं होता, right?
Yeah.
That's what like analytics अगर हम बात करते हैं, you got to be really good with numbers or maths or what stats or something like that, या फिर you can cope with it.
See, traditionally we won't be doing it by hand when you join. So
Right.
you need to know the concept and how it works. That's the entire point. And yeah, basic percent, I mean like the basic one, it is required. But advanced one, you need to be great at math is not actually a compulsion. You need to know how things work.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
Shreya, anything from your side?
So I would say stats is really important, but that's not like very hard or something. It's like pretty simple mathematics. So stats is important, but apart from that, I think whatever he mentioned is right. So it's not that pretty hard for anyone to come and prove
Okay.
it wrong.
Okay. So now, I'm not sure whether you heard or not, but cat was horrible.
This year,
We
we've
got
disastrous.
that.
lot of memes. It's lot on camera.
And I think, for a lot of students out there, you have GI and BDA as a fantastic option. See, from a mentor's perspective, I'll tell you, भाई 2-3 चीजें हैं. पहली बात, GM का ब्रांड मिलता है, बहुत बड़ी बात है. तुम एक बारी, इंडस्ट्री में चले जाओ, मार्केट में चले जाओ, कोई पूछेगा नहीं, GM से कौन सा प्रोग्राम किया. लोग कहेंगे GM से है, बहुत बड़ी बात है. सेकेंडली, यार अम्ब्रेला प्लेसमेंट यहाँ पे होती है तो आपके लिए एडवांटेज है. इफ यू हैव इट इन यू कैन फोर्टिफाई बड़ा कंपनीज ऑल्सो. ऐसी भी चीजें होती है जहाँ पे कोर का बच्चा नहीं क्रैक कर पा रहा है, BDA का बच्चा क्रैक करके जा रहा है, एंड विद हाई पैकेजेस. तो मैं कहूंगा कि डेफिनेटली यू शुड कंसिडर BDA एज एन ऑप्शन. यू शुड फिल अप द फॉर्म, बट यू गाइस टेल देम समथिंग दैट द cat went so bad.
Yeah.
Should they come to BDA?
It's
Your juniors, future
Yeah.
juniors.
To my future juniors, I'll say. See, CAT, giving CAT, like that exam is.
Sorry, but even you guys also gave a tough cat.
Yeah.
2023, that was like, it was horrible. But
Yeah.
anyway, continue.
Like so mentioned, even we gave CAT. My slot was pretty much slot 3.
Classic.
So, see, it's not just one exam that would define your outcome. Just like they say in risk, securities risk, diversify.
True.
So it's giving your best shot. You'll find your place. And if you're truly interested in making a career in analytics, GIM is the place for you.
Absolutely.
And
Absolutely.
wishing my future juniors all the best, and we'll meet if at all I come back as alumni to give a talk.
You will. You will. By the way, you can grab hold of them on LinkedIn. You guys can, ask them some questions, and they're very helpful. Don't worry.
Yeah.
Share anything you want to add.
So GIM is one place where people think you can party, but it's also a good place to, learn a lot of things.
Did your parents allow you first time कि भाई तू गोवा में जाके MBA करेगा? Like, isn't it weird?
To be honest, my parents allowed, but my friends were like, "Are you going to really study in Goa or something like that?"
But they study really hard. It's the curriculum rigorous in लोगों का. Yeah. Mike.
My mom did a PhD. So her professor, he's quite old. So when she told him that my son is going to join GIM, that's when he approved it. So my mom's mentor approved that. So
Wow. That shows, the brand has that kind of value. People know it in the market. So by brand value में तो GM को टक्कर नहीं है, no doubt about that. But guys, anyway, thank you so very much for giving some time.
thank you.
Right? They are placed, by the way. This is the time for them to chill, relax in their life. But वो आए, थोड़ा time दिया. Thank you, Shreya. And thank you, Jitendra. Anything you want to add on as a closing point to my students, my followers?
You just keep doing great. You'll do great. I know. Because they are your students, so I'm sure.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys, and thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure करना कि तुम like करो, इसको share करो. Anything you want to add, Jitendra? To the final?
Nothing much. Trust in him, trust in your process, and you'll find your way.
Thank you so much. Means a lot. Thank you. Thank you, guys.